Here are 5 things you didn't know about the US Army's secret chemical weapons experiments on their own soldiers. First, thousands of soldiers were told they were testing protective equipment against chemical attacks. Instead, they were deliberately exposed to deadly nerve agents like VX and sarin gas. The men had no idea they were being poisoned by their own government. Second, many subjects developed permanent brain damage and severe psychological disorders. Soldiers who entered healthy came out broken, unable to think clearly or control their emotions. Third, the program included LSD experiments that pushed men to complete mental breakdown. Some soldiers became so disturbed they attempted suicide, driven insane by drugs they never consented to take. Fourth, survivors were forced to sign secrecy agreements and denied medical care for decades. When they got sick, the government refused to help or even acknowledge what happened. Fifth, this horror continued for 20 years, creating over 7,000 victims. The men who served their country were betrayed and used as human test subjects.